Alzheimer's disease, a neurological disorder, leads to memory loss and cognitive impairment, making it difficult for the patient to lead a normal life. Alzheimer's is more common in people over 60 years of age, although the less prevalent early onset Alzheimer's can occur much earlier. As the disease advances, the symptoms can include confusion, irritability, aggression, mood swings, trouble with language, and long-term memory loss.
Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, and dementia is a degenerative progressive disease of the brain, which results in, it affects memory, thinking, and behavior. So what starts off as short-term memory loss becomes so advanced during the later stages that the person completely forgets how to talk, walk, eat, do any of the normal activities of daily living. So he becomes dependent on his carer and the family members for all activities of daily living.
The early symptoms are often mistaken to be age-related problem, and often people are reluctant to discuss the disease.
In India, because we have over 100 million elderly, and the percentage of people with Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia is 4 to 5% over the age of 60 and 20% over the age of 80. But unfortunately, only 10% of the cases are even diagnosed. So the vast majority do not even know they have a disease. They just presume it is just old age. They are denied both medical and social care, which they richly deserve.
There is no definite cure for Alzheimer's disease, but if diagnosed early, it can be controlled to a large extent.
Right now, there is no cure for dementia, while billions are being spent all over the world trying to find the elusive cure for dementia. There is no cure. That is why this year, the theme for World Alzheimer's Day is Dementia, Can We Reduce the Risk? We are now looking at the risk factors for dementia and how we can reduce them.
According to estimates, nearly 1 crore 80 lakh people suffer from the neurological disorder across the world. At around 48%, Asia has the largest number of Alzheimer's patients. The number of those suffering from Alzheimer's is on the rise in India. The country has around 40 lakh patients suffering from the disease, and the number is likely to increase to 4 crores by 2025. With Bureau Inputs, Nitendra Singh's report, DD News.